Welcome to ResNexus. In this video, we are going to cover how to create a rate for multiple rooms using advanced daily rates. Once you've signed into ResNexus and navigated to your settings page, you're going to go ahead and go to the daily rates menu. Once you've clicked into that, you will find yourself on the advanced daily rates page. To adjust your rates, you will simply select the adjust button. You then have the option to name your rate or add a note for it. And you will select if you are creating a new special rate, a new standard rate. You also have the option to delete your rates, but we do recommend using this very carefully. None of these settings can be undone, and if you delete your rates, it will reset your rates and you will have to start over. Once you've selected the type of rate you'd like to enter, you will select Next. You'll then enter your start date and the end date for the rate that you're creating. You have the option to select if this is going to take place every year, or if it is just going to be for the year selected. And you're going to select which days of the week this rate change is going to apply to. You'll then select which rooms it applies to. You can do this by all rooms, any classes that you have set up, or by one specific room. For this example, we are going to set all of our rooms, and this rate is going to include 2 adults, no children, and no pets. And you will then set the rate that you would like it to be, or you can do a set percentage increase or flat rate increase or decrease using these settings. The exact option may result in you having some odd change values, or you can have it set to round to the nearest dollar. For this example, we're going to use a simple rate option. And then we will also enter the extra rate to charge each additional guest. And then we'll select Next. So on this page, you will simply review that the information here is correct, that this is what you wanted it to do. You wanted it to be a new standard rate, your name, the dates you want it to apply to, what days of the week, which rooms, how many guests, what the new rate is, and any extra guest rates. It will then have you select the checkbox indicating that you have reviewed and verified the changes and that you understand that those take effect immediately and cannot be undone. This change is typically pretty quick. If you have a whole bunch of units in your system, it may take a little bit longer than if you just have a few units in your system. We did set this as a standard rate, so if you have any special rates in your system, those will still override the existing standard rates. And that's how you create a rate for multiple rooms using advanced daily rates in ResNexus. Thanks for learning more about ResNexus.